What if I told you a real-life dragon still walks the earth today? Not from a movie, not from a myth, but a
Predator so deadly that one bite can mean death days later. Meet the Komodo dragon, the most terrifying lizard on the planet.
Fact number 1. The Komodo dragon is the largest living lizard on Earth. Growing over 10 feet long and weighing more than 300 pounds, this creature looks more like a monster than a reptile. Fact number 2. Komodo dragons have venomous bites. Their venom prevents blood from clotting, lowers blood pressure, and sends prey into deadly shock.
Fact number 3. A Komodo dragon can smell blood from nearly 6 miles away. If you're bleeding anywhere nearby, this predator already knows.
Fact number 4. Komodo dragons hunt animals much larger than themselves.
One bite is enough, then they patiently follow their prey until the venom finishes the job.
Fact number 5. Despite their size, Komodo dragons can sprint up to 13 miles per hour. That's fast enough to outrun an unprepared human.
Fact number 6. Their skin is built like armor. Tiny bones inside their scales protect them like natural body armor. Fact number 7. Komodo dragons eat almost everything. Meat, bones, hooves, and sometimes even other Komodo dragons.
Fact number 8. These dragons can swim between islands. The ocean is not a barrier. It's just another hunting path.
Fact number 9. Female Komodo dragons can reproduce without males. A single dragon can create an entire new generation alone.
Fact number 10. Komodo dragons have attacked and killed humans. These are intelligent apex predators, and humans are not invisible to them.
The Komodo dragon is not a myth, it's nature's real dragon. Subscribe for more unbelievable animal facts.